Sige, becoming a man. Do you know what this is gonna be about?
No.
Uy, ikaw po? Oo. Sakit kayo. Maulagi.
They got circumcised.
Oh.
Mambutag mga best mga bay. Sige, mambutag sa nitanan. Karong adlaw, we are going to do a reaction video. Muna siya among first time. We've never done this, but board coming diri sa quarantine. Diri sa lockdown. It's official lockdown here in Dumaguete starting yesterday. Whew, so we're gonna have some weird kind of vlogs in the next few weeks. Pero karong adlaw, among reaction video is about the Hey Joe show. Basin, nakailang mo nila. Maybe you've seen them, especially if you're Cebuano or Bisaya. Kay Bisaya ilang mga video. Murag 5 ka kano na bista kayo mag-Bisaya. Mas bistag sila nako mag-Bisaya. And yes, actually batch kami. Kay sa una, naka-missionary ako sa Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Missionary po sila, pero sila na-assign sa Cebu, ako na-assign sa Bacolod. Pero nakailang may dito, si Jacob lang ako nailhan, maayo. Naka-story ko sa ila, gamay ra. Pero, muna siya ilang video, Signs You Are a Filipino. So, have you seen these before?
No.
So she's...
I ran in her. Mama Rena.
My morena, my morena girl.
My morena girl, sila nakanta anak. Sige, so we're gonna watch Signs You Are Filipino by the Hey Joe show. Sige, so muna siya among reaction sa ilang video. Signs You Are Filipino, let's go. Part 2 ni siya. Wala pa kami nakaabot sa part 1.
Uy, ready na ko? Uy, Filipino ba yung kasal? Oo ba? Mag-ilis ko. Sige, okay na ni. Okay na.
What do you call it? Barong?
Yeah, the bottom.
Filipino lagi imong kasal. I've never tried on a barong.
I don't want to see
They're
your
freaking,
bottom.
they're mahal. They're expensive.
They look itchy. Are they itchy?
Yeah, I don't know. Sige, becoming a man. You know what this is gonna be about?
No. One hair on your chin.
Agay! Uy, ikaw po? Oo. Sakit kayo. Maulagi.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
What did you think it was?
I thought he needed to pee very bad.
No.
I didn't
But
understand.
patuli sila. They got circumcised.
Oh. Oh.
When do they get circumcised in Australia? When they're babies?
Yeah, if they get, like, not every, I don't know.
The majority of them.
Yeah, babies. Why is it so old here?
Yeah, there is Filipinos, I think 12 years old is average or something like that. I've heard many horror stories of getting circumcised and just grab a knife.
Oh.
And then they like chew on stuff and spit on it. I'm not really sure the deets. I was a little kid when I was patuli. TMI? Too much info?
TMI.
I remember seeing in the province in Negros, kids walking around. They just wear like super baggy shorts or like, yeah.
Well, they weren't wearing it.
Because they don't want their quan to rub against their pants, so they just hold it. That's when you know the kid has become a man, when he walks around with that. What's the deal?
I used to hold my dresses out at school when I got my belly button pierced. Because it would rub.
Yeah. Same thing. Alright. Oh, it's so hot. We turn off the aircon for these videos. Let's go. Talented lips.
Uy, Thailand. Asa man ang CR ninyo? Ang rep guy, asa man siya? Ang basurahan ninyo? Mo di. Ang kwarto nimo, asa man? Mo di. Ay, sige, ang uyab nimo, asa siya? Ay, sige, adto ko. Unsa? Ayaw pa!
Did you get that?
Was your girlfriend?
Yeah.
And then,
Sige, ato ko.
He's going there?
Yeah.
Shaky.
Cheeky little guy.
They could just be talking. Like friends.
Yeah, friends like to. There you go. Padayon.
Ano? Ang Amerikano,
Unsa man na sila?
Nagpabuwad sa adlaw,
nga naman.
magpaitong dagway.
Nya, mamula lang hinoon. Lain na.
Uy! Wala ko labot!
Well, June na.
I'm like them in the sun.
Yeah.
That's me.
I've seen, siyempre, dito sa Pilipinas, yung culture, Na halos sa tanan gusto magpaputi. All the skin whitening products.
Yeah, it's so hard for me to find moisturizer here that's not whitening.
Yeah.
I found like one bottle of Vaseline that's just normal and not whitening because I don't want to be like.
Yeah, but I've noticed this generation that's rising there.
It is, yeah.
They're like soaking up their Moreno
Yeah.
beauty.
I have a few girls that I look up to that
Yeah.
are all for that.
I think especially because of Shargal, honestly. Shargal became super popular and they really take it in, you know, they're all super ito.
Yeah, but
So-
like, Ave, she's all about it.
Yeah.
So I'm all for it. Yeah, but growing up Western, like, where we have moisturizer instead of like whitening products, it's all tanning
Yeah.
products. It's the complete opposite.
Ako, dili ko maitom, magpula lang ko. Bisan gusto ko maitom. But sometimes mas maitom ko niya and she doesn't believe that I'm tanner than her
You're
sometimes.
not ever. Maybe orange
Red.
or red.
Sige, padayon. Sandals.
May party di ako.
Ngano kabalo ka?
Tanawa.
Naag yun.
Yeah. True or false?
True, no shoes in the house. That's illegal.
Yeah.
You bring the shoes in your house, your mom will hit you with your
With the
shoes.
chinelas.
She chase you out.
She grew up in a Filipino household, aka her mom, so she knows
I knew the rules.
the rules.
I knew the laws.
Right.
Rice pa sir? Oh, rice. Rice pa. Rice pa.
Team extra rice.
Sige pa. Sige pa.
Sige pa. Dapat pa. Tulog ka na.
Rice pa sir. Rice. Sige pa. Okay.
It's gonna get cold. Unless he eats very fast.
How many have you eaten? What's your record?
Oh, not that many. I'm below.
Yeah.
Maybe
but
like 3, 2.5.
2.5.
2.5, 3.
The most I've ever had back when I was a missionary was 10 cups of rice. And it took us like 1-2 hours to eat. Pero grabe ka sakit. As in, after kami nakaunan na wala kami nakagawas, nagkulat lang mi, naglingkod lang. And then sa tibok na gabi, wala kami nakaon kay busog kaayo, sakit sa tiyan. So dili na ako usbon, bisan ma-challenge ako. And my companion, my friend that was with me, he got 14 rice. And he was just as skinny as I am. Americano po siya.
Really?
Yeah. Holy cow, 14 rice is insane. We only had one piece of chicken, and then after the second cup of rice, the chicken's gone. So you're
Yeah,
just
so
throwing
it's
soy
just
sauce on top, and oh,
Which I need chicken.
way too many,
I don't know, it's just a challenge.
way
but-
too many carbs.
No.
Alright. Filipino squat.
Grabe, gikapoy dito ko eh.
Pretty good at it.
Yeah.
Let's reverse that.
Wait, I want to see their heels.
Let's see how many of them are doing it. He's not.
He's
First
not,
guy is
no.
not. Second guy nailed it.
Yeah.
Nailed it.
He's
He's
Filipino.
Filipino. Third, nailed it. Nope. The Filipino didn't even do it.
Hey!
Look at that. The Filipino.
Yeah, he feels
And the
that.
last one, nope. Second to last, nope. Nope.
Nope.
Not second to last. Filipino, I don't even know if he's doing it. Maybe. I'll
Yeah,
count
so
it.
yeah, he is. Yeah.
There's like 3 or 4 of them that didn't do it.
Maybe because they can't. Can
That's-
you do it?
No. Let's get your phone. Alright, we're gonna show you if Zoe can do the Filipino squat. Let's do it over here. I'll film on your phone. Behind the scenes.
Science for Filipino.
Hit him with the squat.
Oh, I'm wearing a dress. This way.
Bastos! Dang! That is flat-footed.
It is very low. I can see for hours.
Alright,
I'm always going to see.
that's a true Filipino. One of the genes that she got from her mom. Yeah, my turn.
Bring it.
I don't claim that I can do the Filipino squat.
Because you can't.
I can do it cheating if I do it.
What is
But if you
What
notice
is
the
that?
legs are very wide.
Wait, Crabson.
If I do this, there's no hope for me.
What are you doing? Oh!
It's literally impossible. Most foreigners say they can do it, but let's get real, they're all wide like this. If you go straight in, that's impossible.
I'm gonna try again. Straight, wide, over.
What the heck?
I didn't know that it's not normal for other people. I'm steady. I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, it's pretty good. Love feet, huh? We're back. All right, let's proceed to signs you are Filipino.
Ayo! Tao po!
Tao po. Ayo. Did you know tao po?
That was like people, right?
Yeah.
People here.
Tao po, it's Tagalog.
Oh, like
Person.
person. Oh.
But I don't understand Bisaya because they're just saying ayo. Like, what does
And then-
ayo mean?
And then when they yell back, if it's like a sorry, so. Onsaman!
Yeah. But in Ilonggo, they say tagbalay.
Onsaman!
Tagbalay means like
Ay
tagiya sa balay.
skandi! Ulit ko, ay skandi!
Ah. Anyways, yeah, Ilonggo, they say tagbalay, which means like owner of the house. Tagiya sa balay.
Ah.
Owner of the, so that one makes sense. Tao po, is there any, like a person there? And Bisaya, ayo!
Ayo! Onsaman!
Isulat sa ubos kung, if you know what that means. Ayo. Like maayo. Good. Mabot. Sige.
What?
It's getting hot. Oh my gosh.
Kano sa ganit mo abot si Thailand?
Kuan, alas 5 daw.
Sige, alas 5 na. Moabot na siya. Appear, disappear, one half, one fourth,
I didn't know it was that old.
one half, one
Thought.
My mom is the worst
good.
at Filipino time.
Yeah.
Like, and I hate it because by the time we get anywhere, the food's cold.
Yeah.
Like, she's even more Filipino time than the Filipinos that we're like visiting because they're already eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, do we just do
Well,
one
you do
hand?
one.
Think I messed up. Sige, mo na siya ang reaction video.
I'm Filipino.
The Hey Joe Show. Sayang kay dili na sila magbuhat og video. Taksara kay na sila pangabuhi. Lahi-lahi ilang
married.
kinabuhi karon. They're married.
They're married.
Pero pohon, mubalik sila maghimo og video. Maybe we can do some sick collab.
Where do they live?
Pag muli pa sa Utah. They used to go to school in Utah, but now I think some of them are in California. Some of them are ambot na. But
Arizona.
maybe inig muli ko sa Utah, maka-collab me. So, wait sa diha. Okay, so, muna siyang video karon. If you have another video you want us to do a reaction video, or basing dili ka ganahan ani, but we'll still probably make some because wala kami
Yeah,
buhaton diri sa
Oh,
hotel.
Jollibee.
Anything else?
Nope.
Nakaidugang? Sige.
We're gonna reach 10 minutes. You wanna count?
Yes.
1. There.
Alright, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Oh, upping mo. Ta-da! And remember, stay inside, stay safe.